Previously, in Mahabharata, the peace mission had failed and war was now inevitable. Yet Krishna made one final, secret attempt to avert the total destruction of the Kuru lineage. He asked Karna to join him on his chariot, riding away from the assembly in solitude. As they rode, Krishna unveiled a truth kept hidden for a lifetime. Karna was not the son of a charioteer, but the eldest Pandava. He was born to Kunti and the sun god, Surya, before her marriage. The offer was absolute power. Krishna promised that if Karna switched sides, Yudhishthira would step down. The 5 brothers would serve him, and he would rule the world as the rightful emperor. But a kingdom cannot buy a heart. Karna remembered Adhiradha and Radha, the foster parents who raised him when the world abandoned him. He could not discard their lifelong love for a crown he never sought. For 13 years, only Duryodhana gave him respect and refuge. To leave his friend now when the fear of war looms would be an act of cowardice. Karna chose loyalty to his friend over the ties of blood. Karna then revealed a terrifying vision. He did not see a battle, but a cosmic sacrifice. Krishna was the priest, Arjuna, the invoker, and the warriors were merely offerings to the fire of war. He already knew the outcome. In his dreams, Karna saw Yudhishthira coronated and Bhima standing atop a mountain, gazing down like death. Where dharma resides, victory must follow. He saw the inevitable doom of the Kauravas. In his vision, they wore red flowers and rode camels toward the south, the abode of Yama. Krishna himself was already washing the earth in blood. Knowing he was destined to fall, Karna still refused to turn back. He chose a hero's death beside his friend over a traitor's victory with his brothers. He would meet his fate on the field of battle. He asked Krishna for one favor: silence. If Yudhishthira knew the truth, he would surrender the kingdom out of grief. The secret had to remain buried for the war of dharma to happen. Coming next. The god failed to break his resolve. Now the mother would try to save her son. Kunti prepares to meet Karna by the river bank.